hii gari. Yeah, what's up guys, that is the governor of county, and this is Nyabohanse is here today. Guys, keep on watching. We have Big Rain. I don't know if he will address the community, so guys, we will be there. Keep on tuned. Yeah, it's raining guys, heavily. I don't know if the governor will be able to address the people in Nyabohanse guys. Yeah, so guys, we are here at where the governor is here, the governor of Migori County, and we are so happy to be here also. But we want to say, like, maybe Pope, you can say hi. And
yes. Yeah. So guys, first tell me about my hairstyle, guys. You know, I used to have a very big hair, but thanks to one of your subscribers, by the way, he told me that I should go and
shave.
Yeah. So I'm so grateful, man. I'm really grateful. No, I'm trying to convert today's video so that at least before it gets dark, I have uploaded something, guys. So kindly support me. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to everyone who does a genuine job, and God will always bless the work of your hands.
Yeah. Guys, this is Pope Africa. Kindly support him in any way. Subscribers, subscribe, and road to success. And we also have a friend here.
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Mandela 254. In case you are new, kindly consider by subscribing, liking, and sharing. I will appreciate. Okay, welcome to my Jake YouTube channel. Kindly consider by subscribing to his channel, show him some love, support him. Road to 20,000 subscribers very soon, because this man is trying his best. And I go by the name Mandela 254. I come from the other side of Kilgoris. I've come to join my fellow YouTubers. So thank you for hosting me on your channel, bro. I really appreciate it. I don't need to take it for granted. And today we have a crowd of people in this Nyabohanse center. So, and again, it has been raining. So blessings is at all the corners. So we have the governor here, and what I just want to say, the governor to deliver the service to his people.
Yeah, sure,
so
guys.
Thank you so much, our viewers.
Yeah. Guys, kindly support him from Kilgoris.
Yes.
Kilgoris.
Narrow County.
Neighbor to passport with
Masai with a passport.
Masai with the passport. Support him, and I will really appreciate you for coming to Nyabohanse.
Thank you.
You know, Nyabohanse is one of the best places and the biggest place that we have the most YouTubers.
For sure.
Nyabohanse. So we really need, I don't know if you can talk to the governor. We really need like Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
We really need electricity every time and then to upload videos, to put videos, of course, to encourage young youths and show people how the world is, and of course Nyabohanse. So kindly support these guys on
Thank you.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Pope Africa.
Yes.
And
Mandela 254.
Mandela 254.
I was yearning to see you, Maja, but God has made it. I was yearning to see Pope Africa, and we have another guy here who has just keeping.
Hey, Mike Ventures.
My new look.
Yes.
Hey, man. Hey.
Yeah. How are you? Yeah, so guys, here we have the governor of Migori County.
Yes.
That is in Nyanza.
Yeah.
Is it Nyanza?
Migori County.
Migori County.
Nyanza region.
Nyanza region.
Yeah.
Migori County, Nyanza region.
Yes.
We have our governor here, and I really believe YouTubers should be here and say what they go through, because young youths right now, they go through a lot, and I think YouTube has changed a lot of them. So we really need something to maybe he can help us with something.
Yeah.
What I can say is I just wish that he prioritized first the youths, because youths, you know, they are indulging in drugs abuse because they are idle. So I think it could be better if he finds a way of employing the young youths or starting any other business, you know, at least to make them get some income so that they cannot indulge in bad things like drugs and also stealing, you know.
So, to add on that, what my brother is saying, Mr. Governor, to expand the market, because the market, when you expand the market, it will serve a lot of people, it will create employment. The other thing, the facilities will be closer to its people. And then the other thing again, to enhance what we call security, because with security, there will be development. The other thing again, to bring facilities that will favor the youths, like sporting. The other thing again, to support the needy also in the society, because we have people who are not in the position of working. The government should chip in and provide.
Of course, and I really believe, like you know, right now in nyabohanse, I can say, I don't know if I can say it's the main cash crop, YouTube. So we need to have that maybe something to help us in doing what we are doing here, because we are like bringing information, good information from nyabohanse, and also expanding the not even we expand everything, be it farming, be it whatever you know about this village. We show you here, guys. So I really believe he should be there for us also. He should talk about this. I really believe he knows about the YouTubers in nyabohanse, and he will try and maybe help us in some way. I don't know if we can reach him and talk to him about what we do in nyabohanse, because this village has really brought a lot of foreigners and a lot of people from outside to, like, you know, explore. So I think the governor should think about YouTubers in nyabohanse, and help us in any way that he can, especially in electricity. We really have a problem in that. So we really need to have electricity to upload videos, do something, you know. It's really like electricity, I can say. Maybe when you go out there and shoot a video and you go back home to upload video, no electricity, then your phone is off, you can't upload. Maybe it comes after maybe 3 or 2 days. So it's very hard for us. So maybe they can try and uplift the electricity, so that you cannot have like shortage of power here in our village, because we have a lot of YouTubers here, and I think in the world this village
one of the famous
villages.
Because you find people from other countries, they came here, they opened their channel here,
and they are making it. They are doing great job. So, and also because of YouTube, nyabohanse has made young youths to mind their own business. You can't walk like few meters without getting someone making content. So I think our governor should prioritize our village so much because of that, because we are not employed with government, we are not employed with we are self-employed, and we are doing a great work. I really believe on social media we are one of the best.
Top of that, let me add this on top of that. I really don't know if you all know that apart from YouTube, nyabohanse is one of the most talented. We have very good footballers here, very good artists. Like the governor should at least try and nurture some talents of young youth, so that everyone, at least, maybe you don't want to be a YouTuber, but you're good in artists, or you're good in playing soccer, football, basketball. So it's my wish that at least you can tell about nurturing the talents of young youths here.
Then I think again, what I can tell, when the governor lays his hand on the youths are at the backbone of the economy, because 90% youths are contributing. Because you find, for example, you YouTubers or we YouTubers, when we get the money, we serve the community with this money. You see, we have children who are not able to go to school. They are being supported. So, Mr. Governor, it's my prayer that to chip in and help these content creators and help the youth. Not only to help the youth, because let's help the youth to grow for the better of tomorrow, for the better of the future. Because when somebody is sharp-minded, he's supposed to be helped 100%. So,
and also, add on top of that, sorry for cutting you short, like, like right now, we have a lot of youths who have really ventured on YouTube, and they are doing great work, and it's like they don't care about like who comes here, like the big person in government who comes here. You know, they are right now doing their content, they are getting paid on this platform, and you can get a lot of people here. Guys, this is full of people here in our village, and today, I think it's market day. So we are out there trying to make content.
This is a market day?
We don't want to record anyone. Anyone goes, So people are out there trying to make ends meet. We don't have work with the government, and also this is what I want to say. No, not everyone that is learned and have that certificate can maybe get a job in a government job here. So we are trying to employ ourselves. Like YouTube, you employ yourself, you employ yourself. So self-employment is also a very good job, because you can do it from any angle, from anywhere, and it's a very good thing if you do it in a positive way, in a good way. So our governor today came to our village, nyabohanse village, and we are so happy. We are so happy. But what is he going to leave with us? Maybe a good platform. I believe maybe he knows about YouTube things in this village. Maybe he can say, YouTubers, I want to do something for you, especially electricity and Wi-Fi, of which we have, but it's not very that strong. Because you can see in Nairobi, we have a lot of content creators, and the Wi-Fi is very strong. We have
let's stand here.
So I really believe, like, when nyabohanse is given a very strong maybe Wi-Fi and very strong electricity, not going every time, and then we can go to better heights.
True.
To better heights. So I really believe nyabohanse is the best place to be.
And 90% the world nowadays, people are working with technology. So when the governor supports these people with electricity and things like Wi-Fi, people will access easily to the internet and see the latest news or the latest technology that is popping. So what you are saying, Maja, I concur with you 100%. So the governor should chip in very fast, because it's there in the office to oversee his people and the wish of these people. So what you are saying, this thing is it can favor everyone.
Yeah, everyone in the world.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Mr. Maja, for hosting me on your channel. I say thank you so much because it's not easy. Because someone to host you this channel. So I say thank you. May God bless you, Mr. Maja.
Yeah.
May God expand your territory. May God fill your pocket. May you never go angry, bro.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Find joy in your heart, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And my fellow here, Poppy Africa, man. The tall guy.
Yeah. Hey.
But you look
This guy is tall, yes.
God is doing his work.
Yeah, God has opened the door.
Kuna Mungu na kuguzaguza.
Ndio.
Yeah, yeah. So guys, this is our small village here.
Yes.
We don't want to interfere with the government. Yes. Yes. So we are filming ourselves, not anyone else, but our village. Yeah, yeah. So today is market day, as you can see. Maybe we can try and meet the governor. So today is market day, and people are filled here, guys. We don't want to interfere with the government because of security reasons.
Unajua vijana ndio watu wenye nguvu, vijana ndio watu wanahakikisha kuna amani. Kwa hivyo vijana, mahali mko, tunawatambua vijana, tunajua soko hii ni yenyu. Mimi kama gavana wenyu nitawawachia shilingi 5,000. Wazee mko?
Yeah, so
unajua pahali kuna wazee, hapaharibiki nini? Kwa hivyo tunawatambua wazee wako hapa. Kuna mzee ambayo aliongea kwa niaba ya Nash na wazee wengine. Sasa hata wazee tutawaachia chai ya shilingi 3,000. Nitafanya kama gavana. Natambua wale maofisa wa usalama, wale wenzangu, wale tunafanya kazi nao, hata hao wote ambayo wako hapa sitawasahau. Najua tuko na pastor.
That is the governor talking.
Tuko na kanisa hapa.
Very good friend, Yeah. Do something.
Tuko na enforcement wa county hapa. Na tuko na special elders wawili. Hata walemavu tuko nao. Na wale walitujumuisha hapa, the entertainers tuko nao. The entertainers ndawapatia chai ya shilingi 3,000. Hizo zingine zitatajwa na ule ndamwawacha hapa. Wapi county admin, sub county admin, ule yako hapa. Mnamtambua huyu? Halo? Wewe kuja tu kwangu hapa. Wale wengine walemavu ni wangu. Hata mimi nawatambua. Wapi huyo coordinator? Njoo. Kwa hizo nimetaja zote, hao nyinyi wawili waombe tu hao wananchi wapendwa, wawache kina mama wakae kando. Hatutaki mtu anasukumana kina mama. Kina mama ni watu tunawaheshimu. Kama wewe ni vijana, uende kama kijana, enda kwa kikundi chako na uache wazee na waheshimu. Alafu nyinyi halo, basi kitu nitafanya, kuna chief officer Chacha na sub county admin watasimamia hayo nimetangaza hapa. Na washukuru sana na washukuru sana nyinyi wananchi kwa utulivu wenyu na vile mmechangilia na mkapokea hii project. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki.
Hiyo mtapewa. Yeah. So guys, this is the governor of Migori County, but we didn't make to talk to him. Maybe he's already there.
The convoy.
Yes, convoy.
Convoy of the governor.
And this is our MP, KBR. Yeah. Niko vizuri bro. Yeah, so guys, that was our governor here in Migori County, and we didn't be privileged to talk to him, but anyway, I really believe the people who will see this video, especially from Kenya, Migori County, if you watch me guys, Nyabohanse is one of the villages that youths make videos, and they are content creators here. And we bring a lot of people from abroad and from anywhere in the world. The most famous village in the world. So guys, if you are privileged to be in the county or Migori County, guys, reach out to our governor and tell him we are here and we are self-employed. Self-employed, so he can help us with the electricity at large. I can say maybe you can go this side because of light, because of electricity and
electricity and
internet. Because a lot of youths here now employ themselves. So I want to say thank you so much guys for watching this video, and our governor was here. We were so happy, but he was so happy, and we were so happy to be privileged to be with him today here. And we didn't see him like clearly and talk to him, but anyway, maybe sometime we will meet him. So thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly from the village Buga. So maybe from my friends here.
Okay.
And my cousin here.
Yeah. From my bottom of my heart, I say thank you, Mr. Governor, for appearing today to our county here. And we say thank you. What you have said, go and implement it. The other thing, on the side of YouTube, we say thank you guys for watching our videos. Subscribe to Maja K, comment, like, and support this guy. Because he's doing an amazing content. Thank you. See you again.
Thank you so much. And we also have here.
Yes, Pope Africa. So I'm grateful that you hosted me once again. I know this is not the first or the last time we are always together, and I really want to thank you. And you know, it's like a privilege that today our governor has come here at Nyabohanse. You know, I remember the last time the person that was here was just a member of parliament, our member of parliament. But today we are so grateful that he has visited us, and I believe that whatever he has said, he'll just implement, and we believe in him, and we believe that great things are still coming to happen here at Nyabohanse, and at YouTubers at large, and yeah, everything is going to be well. So let's keep calm and believe in ourselves, keep pushing and working hard, and God will always bless the work of our hands. So guys, if you've never seen me, or if this is your first time watching me, kindly support me guys. For Fair Africa, I'm also a content creator, and I really need your support guys. Yeah, thank you Maja for hosting.
Yeah, road to 1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers.
Guys, a lot of people are crowded because of the governor, and I really believe we have to be our own governors.
Yeah.
In life, not in like the other way, maybe.
Govern yourself.
Govern ourselves. So it's good to have like leaders who lead you, but you should be your own governor in your own life. Because today, if the governor was here, what did you get from the governor?
Nothing.
You?
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. So you have to be the governor of your own life and of yourself. So that is what I've learned from a lot of people and from my experience in life. So I have to be my own governor, because tomorrow I will not go to my governor or my MCA and say, I'm hungry.
You have to be creative.
Yeah, you have to be very creative and working hard to get ends meet. You know? So you have to be yourself and make ends like meet for your own family, your own self. So that is what we are trying to do here in the village, because I can't get hungry and go to the governor or the MCA and say like I slept hungry yesterday. How can you help me? It's for you to work on yourself. Of course, we have a lot of people who are learned here. They have certificates. They are qualified to have a good work, but they don't have that work.
The certificates sound like meaningless.
Meaningless. So, you really have to be yourself and work on yourself, guys. So
be your own governor.
Be your own governor. So yes.
Pesaman. Guys, welcome to Maja KE. Please check out Pesaman. Bye bye.
Yes, thank you, Pesaman. So we just have to be ourselves and work on ourselves. Peace, love, and positive vibes from the village Buga.
Support Maja 100%. Support this guy.
We are here, guys, and we are trying to make nyabohanse a place to everyone to come and live
and enjoy.
So thank you so much for watching this video. For you who will watch this video, and let's keep it peace, positive vibes all the way. Peace and love from the village Buga as always.
Village Buga.
As always. Thank you till my next video. Kindly support my brother here.
Guys, if you are watching me from Maja K, kindly subscribe to my channel. I go by the name Mandila254. That's my name on YouTube. Kindly show me some love. I will appreciate it, man. Thank you, Maja. I really say thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Peace. Thank you. Guys, until our next video, peace and love. And keep on watching. We have great things, and keep praying for Artin Boke. She's not feeling well, so we have really great things from me and Artin Boke also. So keep on praying for her. Peace and love.